Stop. Do not scroll. If your videos deserve more views than they're getting, this is for you. Imagine this. 7 days from now, your channel looks organized, your thumbnails pop, your titles get clicked, and your watch time finally climbs instead of flatlining. That shift does not take luck. It takes a system. And that's exactly what you're about to get with the AI YouTube Masterclass. Let's talk real life, before and after. Before, you spend hours filming, then even more hours editing. You post inconsistently because the process is exhausting. Titles feel like guesswork. Thumbnails look okay, and analytics are a blur of numbers that don't tell you what to fix next. You hit publish and wait. After, you open a clear, step-by-step workflow. AI helps you research topics with search intent, outline a script in minutes, generate title options that match what people are actually typing, and design scroll-stopping thumbnails fast. You know exactly when to post, how to hook the first 3 seconds, and how to keep viewers watching to the end. Your analytics finally make sense, and you can act on them. That's the promise of the AI YouTube Masterclass. A practical, repeatable system that turns guesswork into growth. Here's what you'll master inside. Topic and keyword research with AI. Find video ideas your audience is already looking for, and validate them in minutes. Hooks that stop the scroll. Proven patterns to win the first 3 seconds, even if you're camera shy. Title engineering. AI-assisted frameworks to craft click-worthy titles without clickbait. Thumbnail workflow. From concept to export with AI cues and swipeable layouts that drive higher CTR. Script blueprints. Intros, story beats, pattern interrupts, and strong calls to action, generated, then refined by you. Editing acceleration. AI tools to cut silence, add captions, music timing, and B-roll prompts. Hours saved. Posting schedule and repurposing. One video becomes shorts, reels/TikToks, and community posts with smart prompts. Analytics that matter. Identify what to fix next, retention dips, CTR plateaus, title versus thumbnail mismatch, and iterate with confidence. If you're thinking, I don't have time, that's exactly why this exists. The bottleneck isn't your ambition, it's your workflow. With the right prompts and checklists, what took you 4 hours can take 40 minutes, consistently. If you're thinking, I'm not technical, you don't need to be. Every module walks through the tools on screen, clicks included, from beginner to confident user. Prefer templates? You get them. Prefer checklists? You get those too. What's inside the package? Step-by-step video lessons you can watch at your pace. Title and hook prompt pack for multiple niches. Thumbnail concept board with AI cues and composition cheats. Retention rescue checklist to fix drop-offs fast. 30-day content calendar to stay consistent without burning out. Analytics decoder. Turn messy graphs into a to-do list. And because momentum matters, you also get quick start wins on day 1. Replace one old thumbnail using the included layout formula. Test 2 new title variations with the title prompt pack. Add a 7-second pattern interrupt to your next upload using the script blueprint. Early buyers get founder-only bonuses, extra thumbnail presets, and a short-form repurposing playbook. These bonuses are limited. Once the early batch is gone, they're gone. Who is this for? Creators, coaches, consultants, local businesses, anyone who needs YouTube to generate attention, leads, or sales without hiring a full team. Who is this not for? If you want viral overnight, this isn't magic. It's a system built to compound, steady, predictable, repeatable. Quick FAQs, rapid fire. Do I need expensive software? No. We show both free and affordable options. Does this work if I'm not on camera? Yes. There's a full module for faceless channels. How fast will I see results? It depends on your niche and consistency, but you'll feel clarity from the first session. Will this replace my creativity? No. AI handles the heavy lifting. You keep the voice and strategy. So here's your next step. If you want your next upload to be your best upload, if you want titles that earn clicks, thumbnails that demand attention, and watch time that actually grows, then get into the AI YouTube Masterclass today. Access is available right now, and the early bird price with bonuses is limited. When it's closed or the price resets, it's gone. Tap the link in bio or the link in the description to get instant access. Open it, jump to the Quick Start module, and in the next hour you'll have a sharper title, a stronger thumbnail, and a clearer plan than you've had all month. I'll see you inside the Masterclass.